Okay, today we'll see our educational AR app, right? Is our AR app. So let's go and open our AR app to see the output what we are getting from our AR app. Okay. So this is actually the ratio being damaged, so that's why it is can't play. If we minimize the ratio, then it will be a good things to show, right? So that's it. We can see our outputs right over here. So let's go to another one. The lighting is another issues, right? This is our another output. Let's go to another. So this is our output. So it was detecting, right, and playing in the background. Let's go to another. So this is the again one, right? Let's see how it detects. The image is affecting because we are using, but we are getting the output, right? The light, image, light, and the which image size are affecting in our output. So this output will getting from our AR app, right? So that's it, I guess. Thank you.